slow smoked bacon and beans. So we have some bacon in here, which we're just rendering down. We want to get it nice and soft, not crispy, soft. All we need to do, add a little onion for flavor. Mix this around until they're nice and soft. That's it. Little garlic, put that right in. Here we go. Now the flavors are starting to develop. But Rob, where's the smoke gonna come from? Ha ha! Little hickory smoke here, liquid smoke in a bottle. Couple drops, don't go crazy. So this has been cooking for about 5 minutes now, ready to go on the rest of our ingredients. But first, we're gonna start with a little chili for heat. And the reason I'm putting them in now is because I want them to release all the oils. A little cumin, then a little oregano. All of these flavors are gonna mix together now with the oil and release everything. Now we need a little brown sugar, baked beans from a can. Now a little Worcester, splash, splash, splash. Feeling good about that. A little ballpark mustard, get that in, more flavor and a little heat, and ketchup. Little sweetness and color here. We want to go liberal on the ketchup. And last but not least, a little applesauce. Now this apple and pork and the beans, they all go together now. Just bring that in together, the little mix. Let this cook for about half an hour. Once that's finished, let it cool down, pop it into your fridge. This lasts for weeks. And you know what, guys? It even tastes better reheated.